So one of the most anxiety-filled questions I get is, oh my gosh, will my wig come off? Will the wind blow it off? You know, can I move in it? And I want to have you please rest assured that first of all, wigs are designed to stay on your head. So the design elements are there. And with Women in Disguise wigs, with all of the sizing capability you have within each wig, you get to get a perfect balance between it staying on, so being nice and fit and being super confident about it staying on, and also the perfect amount of comfort. So, but I just want to show you how much you can move and your wig does not come off. So I'm gonna do a little bit of what I call the shake it up test. And there you go. She didn't move one iota on my head, not one inch. I mean, my hair's all moving now. My hair moved, but the wig did not move on my head. And that's because, again, and we'll show you exactly how to get the perfect size, and it's just so easy to get both a comfortable and secure wear. And there you go. Believe me, once you put her on, she is not coming off unless you want her to come off.